Hello beautiful souls, I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any suggestions, any topics in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know and I will definitely make a video on that topic. I have two other channels, Divinnestaars Tarot and Divinnestaars Tarot in Hindi, where I do tarot readings. I'll be giving the link in the description box. Go and visit them, and if you like them, please like, share, subscribe to them as well. And coming to today's topic, today we will be discussing about 3 orders and 9 ranks of angels, starting from highest rank to the lowest. Each order has 3 ranks. Highest order angels are closest to God and serve the God. They pass on the messages and information from God to other ranks. Middle order angels spread the word of God from the highest order angels and maintain balance between all the realms. They are the connectors between highest order and lower order angels. They pass on their information to the lower order who are more closer to physical realms. Lower order angels have the responsibility of spreading this information further down to physical realms and interact, guide and help living beings in need, as they are the closer ones to the physical realms. Despite different ranks and orders, all the angels respect each other's assigned duties and tasks and abide by them, as everything happens out of unconditional love there. So let's begin with today's video. Starting from highest order angels, it includes ranks 1, 2 and 3. Rank 1. Seraphim. They are the highest order of angels, closest to the God, and are protectors of God's throne. Their name means the burning ones. Their incarnation on earth is debatable. Rank 2. Cherubim. They guard God's knowledge and truth throughout the universe. They are the best guides you can have to get true wisdom, justice and true love. They protect special places. Their name means the fullness of wisdom. Rank 3. Thrones. They are the carriers of the throne of God, characterized by peace and submission. They bring divine justice and harmony of all universal laws. They are God's messengers, giving divine guidance and help to people. Middle order angels. It includes ranks 4, 5 and 6. Rank 4. Dominions. They maintain proper order and laws of the universe, maintain justice, balance good and bad, truth and love, give mercy and unconditional love to humans. They supervise and regulate lower rank angels to perform their duties well, govern over lower ranked angels, universe and humanity, and guide for the highest good of all. However, as overall rulers, they have the authority over higher ranks such as cherubim. Archangel Zadkiel is the chief of dominions. They are less likely to incarnate on earth and do so only when earth is in immense need of restoration of balance and order, and it is required to reinforce universe laws. Rank 5. Virtues. They encourage human beings to strengthen their faith in God. They take orders from higher ranks and perform miracles for deserving, to deepen their faith and trust in divine, and inspire them spiritually. They help with movement in the universe and are often associated with planets, elements, seasons and nature. In their earthly form, they can be musicians, artists, healers, scientists, physicists who work with the energy of love. Rank 6. Powers or authorities. They maintain natural order of the universe. They are warrior angels who fight with evil spirits and detain them. They are the angels of birth and death. They oversee the distribution of power among humankind, and hence their name. In earthly form, they can be experts and advisors of religion, theology and ideology. Now finally coming to lower order angels, which includes rank 7, 8 and 9. Rank 7. Principalities. They give wisdom, guidance, strength and inspiration to face challenges. They care, protect and answer prayers. But they are similar to humans in their vulnerability to sin. Rank 8. Archangels. They are the highest ranking angels in heaven and leader angels assigned to carry out God's important plans for humans. They supervise and rule over other angels and help and deliver messages to human beings by traveling between heaven and physical plane. But remember, archangels respond best to prayers dealing with greater good of entire humanity. They are the first order of angels that appear only in human form and hence can incarnate directly on earth. They can be explorers, philosophers and human rights leaders. Rank 9. Angels. They travel through the universe to help and answer prayers of people using the energy of light rays of various colors based on their purpose and work. Angels are closest to the physical world and humanity and are the messengers to humans. They act as guardian angels, protect, guide and caution humans and act as warriors on behalf of God. They can take on the appearance of humans to better communicate with them. So this completes our 3 orders and 9 ranks of angels. Do let me know how you like this video, and if you have any queries, any doubts regarding today's topic, do let me know that as well. And yes, if you have any other suggestions, any other topics for me, feel free to let me know and I will definitely consider that and make a video on that. And till then, take care, stay blessed, till we meet again.